Okay, so could this affect a man's health? Researchers in Rochester, New York went into a fertility clinic, and some of the men consumed relatively little cheese and others consumed a lot, and sperm counts were lower for the men who consumed more cheese. We also look at something called sperm morphology and motility, meaning the shape of it, and can they swim straight. And these tend to be impaired by cheese consumption. What we think is happening is that it relates to the estrogens that the guy has been consuming. Okay, so by the way, guys, don't go to sleep. Hank goes to the doctor's office and he says, "Doc, I'm having trouble with my nature." And the doctor says, "I'm sorry?" And Hank says, "Doc, I can't raise the flag." Okay, men have all these great euphemisms. So the doctor says, "Okay, well, I can write out a Viagra prescription for you, but..." And the guy says, "Thanks, doc, it's all I need." Takes the prescription, runs out the door. The doctor says, "Stop, wait." And he follows him before he goes down the elevator. He says, "We're not finished yet. Please, come back, sit down." Hank sits down. The doctor looks him in the eye and gives him the following speech. "Viagra might help you tonight, but the reason that you have erectile dysfunction is because you have narrowed arteries. It's not performance anxiety. What you've got is atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is narrowing of the arteries, and it comes from a high cholesterol, high fat diet that causes little things called atherosclerotic plaques to form here and there in the arteries. And because the arteries to a man's private parts are naturally narrower than the arteries elsewhere in the body, that's one of the first places where you see the result. And the male sexual anatomy is sort of a hydraulic system. It needs a good blood supply in order to do its thing. Are you with me? It was obviously devised on a Monday. Things are going wrong with it all the time. So anyway, if you don't get good blood flow, it just doesn't work. And so what the doctor explains to Hank is the reason you have erectile dysfunction is you've got impaired blood supply, meaning you have atherosclerosis down there, which means that you have atherosclerosis in your heart and in the arteries to your brain, the carotid arteries. In all likelihood, you have atherosclerosis throughout your body, meaning you are at much higher than average risk for a heart attack or stroke within the next 4 or 5 years. So, take your Viagra if you want to, but it will not treat atherosclerosis. What I want you to do is make an appointment with a dietitian before you leave today, and let's get your diet back in order, because there's only one diet that has been shown to be part of a lifestyle change to reverse that, and that's getting the cholesterol and the animal products out of your diet, and now you've got a shot at opening up those arteries again. All cardiologists know that erectile dysfunction is the canary in the coal mine. Okay, note to self.